In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Gmail name. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update the name that appears when you send emails using your Google account settings. This is the official, reliable way to change the display name people see in Gmail. And it also updates your name across other Google services. First, open your Google account. The simplest way is to go to your Google account homepage in a browser. If you're already signed in, you should land on your account dashboard. If you have multiple Google accounts, take a moment to confirm you're in the right one, especially if you use separate accounts for personal and work. You can switch accounts from your profile picture if needed. Once you're in your Google account, click Personal Info. You'll find this in the main navigation, usually along the left side on desktop or along the top or within a menu on mobile. The Personal Info section is where Google keeps your basic details like your birthday, recovery information, and the name attached to your account. Nothing changes yet just by opening this section, so feel free to look around to get oriented. Next, click Name. This sits under the Basic Info area. Opening it reveals two fields, first name and last name. This is the display name for your Google account, which includes Gmail. It's not your email address or your username. Changing it won't alter your email address. It simply controls what recipients see in the From line when you send a message. Now, enter your new first and last name. Use proper capitalization and avoid extra punctuation, emojis, or symbols that might violate Google's name policies or look unprofessional. If you're adjusting your name for work, consider using your full legal name or a consistent professional format. If you commonly go by a shortened version, enter it exactly as you want it to appear. Keep in mind that this name will appear across many Google products, so choose something you're comfortable with in a variety of contexts. Finally, click Save. You should see a confirmation that your changes were applied. The update usually takes effect quickly, though it can take a little time to propagate everywhere. New emails you send will reflect your updated name. Existing messages in someone's inbox will still show whatever name was used when those messages were sent. If the Save button is unavailable, double-check for blank fields or invalid characters. That's it. You've successfully changed the name associated with your Gmail. Thanks for watching and enjoy the confidence of sending messages with the name you want people to see.